Let's talk about query parameters. Let's say I would like to create a new endpoint. This could be API slash products, and we need to provide the ID because I am interested to fetch the record with ID 1. So how can you create this endpoint API slash products? This is how you will define the query parameters. This is dynamic ID. You will send this dynamic ID from the client side. It is going to take request and response. Now I can send the ID. You can access the ID from the request.params object, request.params.id. You can return that. My application is running. Hello web server. Now what I want to do, I would like to fetch the API slash products dot one. Cannot get the API endpoint. Make sure you start with slash API. Now you can see which is 1. If I will write the 2 here or 22, you will get the 22. Request.params, I think it's an object, so you can get the value. Request.params is ID. Let's say you can also do that. Let's say customer slash customer, something like that. Customer name. Let's try to check it out. Product ID, customer name. No, I don't need to provide the name here. It should be ID. Let's say customer ID. Now I can provide the customer ID 33. So you can see that I got the customer ID, which is 33.